Chirping sounds from everywhere. Chirp, chirp, chat away. Little parrot loves to say, hello, how are you today? Chirp, chirp, come and play. He says hello and peekaboo, repeats it all. Just like you, flaps his wings and bobs his head, talking till it's time for bed. Chirp, chirp, chat away. Little parrot loves to say, hello, how are you today? Chirp, chirp, come and play. In the trees or on the swing, little parrot loves to sing. With a squawk and a cheerful sound, he's the loudest bird around. Chirp, chirp, chat away. Little parrot loves to say, hello, how are you today? Chirp, chirp, come and play. Chirp, chirp, squawk away. Little parrot loves to say, hello, how are you today? Chirp, chirp, come and play. Chirp, chirp, squawk all day. Little parrot bright and gay.